One shot, now the future is yours. Go! Yeah, I was building on the lecture. Verses coming daily under pressure. Working on the plot and the scheme. The true style trademark is at the edge of your dreams. I'm talking one shot for the kill. The breeze come freeze up. Straight dropping the chills. I'm talking taking over pieces and shares. A bomb break sky high. Check the movement is here. Yeah. It's one heart, one shot. Now the future is yours. Go!
Welcome to the stage, Dave Thrasher.
But through it all, one thing has remained constant. No matter what the circumstances, you all chose to stay the course. You didn't let the circumstances of the world distract you from your commitment to redefine and create remarkable experiences for your customers and for each other.
And we will always create ripples in this world that are so significant that they'll impact generations to come.
We gonna take it, gonna take it, gonna take it, gonna take it, gonna take it.
Baby daddy.
So again and again, I learned that if I just don't run after rejection, I try to find out why and negotiate, there are a lot of times I can turn no into a yes. So you can ask why. But I got a yes because I asked for something big, got rejected, and asked for something else. I said, hey, can I get a burger refill?
I bring to you
Now all these 20-somethings has moved in, and they're like, well, remember what they used to say? You got to get a job. You got to get a job if you're going to live here. And they're like, okay, do I get to use the kitchen table or do you? At the same time, you have customers you're serving with completely different expectations. Why have you not gotten back to me? It has been 37 seconds.
It's my honor to present this year's Integrity Award winner to Ed Krieger with Ayers Basement Systems.
Taking these chances, they wouldn't give me the answers, so I gotta go out and get it. I'ma hold them off for ransom. This how I planned it, did it right here where I'm standing. Came from the mud, they counted us out. Now we standing on the planet. They don't know just what to do with me. Promise this is nothing new to me. If you came in here to ruin me, hope you writing out a eulogy. I was tailor-made beautifully, they can never find two of me. Look how I'm shining, cold turn into diamonds. I need a moment of silence.